Hello guys, in this quick tutorial I am going to show you that how to fix OTG is not working in your Android phone. So let's get into it and fix this error by using the two methods. In the first method you just need to open your settings and now search here for build number. Now simply tap to open this number and here you just need to tap on this build number option for 7 times, and after this time you can see that here the developer has been built. So now you have to simply move one step back and then click to open the system option here. Now click on the developer option, or maybe it will be advanced options in your case. So once you are here in the developer option or the advanced options, you have to just scroll all the way down and here click on the default USB configuration. Now click on the file transfer. Right after that you have to simply close your settings and try to again connect your OTG with your Android phone. Hopefully your problem will be fixed. But before doing so you have to just make sure that you are using the updated version of your Android. Once you're done, you have to simply move to the next step. For the next step, again open your settings and then click to open the apps management or all the apps in your Android phone. Then app settings, and here search for your files or the file manager and simply tap on it. Click on the storage and cache. Click on the clear cache. And right after that restart your device one time, and after restarting your device again try to connect your OTG, and this time hopefully your OTG will work. And that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.